Hi, I'm Lance. Welcome to the Nog Vlog. I'm about to board the Discovery Princess. This is a very special cruise for the Nog Vlog because...
it's a daddy-daughter cruise.
Come take a trip with us. First.
Mommy. First cherry in a cup. First cherry cup.
We want to say hi to Mommy over here.
Three, two, one, cheers! Now drink. Or
It has been a busy morning. We finally got everything settled. We went to guest services, upgraded to the plus package. We added some gift cards to our account. We got our muster drill done. We got some filming done of some places on the ship that we don't normally get to go to. Now we finally got to rest. We actually still haven't eaten lunch yet, so I'm not sure where we're gonna go to get lunch. However, we had to stop to get our first drink, which I got the Paradise Punch from the Good Spirits Bar. Perfect embarkation day first drink. Every cruise, Charlie always asks for a cup of cherries from whatever bar we visit at first, so she got that. And we called Randy to say, hey, Mom, we miss you. Wish you were here. Thanks for letting us go on a daddy-daughter cruise. And we had our commemorative toast. So now we're gonna go find some lunch. Not sure where we're gonna go for that exactly. Then room should be ready. We're excited to go see our cabin for the first time. We just got an inside stateroom, but we'll bring that to you here shortly, here on the Discovery Princess.
nice.
Okay, go ahead and try it. Yeah. Don't try it like that. You're not gonna taste it good. Just take a sip.
I tasted this. We finally decided to get some food. Real food. Not ice cream, not cake, not cherries. I had 3 chicken nuggets. They were good, but a little bit on the crispy side. The fries are amazing. They're really crunchy. They don't have the sauce to dip them in. My veggies were good, just a little bit on the cold side. I did not like my mac and cheese. I actually ate my dad's mac and cheese instead. I thought it was better.
That mac and cheese was really good. I didn't even try hers, but I don't want to based off her reaction, so.
Yeah, this is my fork and his thing. I have not tried my pasta yet. It's good. Just, I'm very sensitive to spiciness, and I taste spicy in here. So if you're not sensitive to spiciness, it might be good.
So I had a little medley of sandwiches. The thing I had was pretty good. The Italian sandwich was delicious. The meats on there were nice and spicy. The roasted vegetable sandwich was really good. It's kind of hot and cold as far as the sandwich goes. And the last sandwich I had was the barbecue sandwich, and it was okay. Being from Texas, you got high standards there for chopped barbecue sandwich. They had 4 different types of pasta, 2 red sauce, 2 white sauce. I had spinach ravioli. It's very high on the butter cream side. Other than that, standard vegetables, potato sides were really delicious, and that mac and cheese I shared with Charlie was great. We're gonna go find the desserts on the way out, and maybe go to see if we can check into our room. We are in cabin R535. That's deck 14, Riviera deck. Now, when you first come up to the room, you'll see that your name will be on the placard. Touch the medallion, unlock, it'll enter. This bed is set up as a full king. We actually requested it to be 2 separate individual twins. The interesting part is we originally requested as a king, and then we just changed our minds about 3 weeks ago to say, no, let's separate it out. yet it still has a full king. I think we'll actually leave it this way. You're supposed to be able to change it anytime. In fact, we can even tell our room steward if we wanted to switch it up moving forward, but I think we'll just go ahead and keep this as this at this point in time now. Now, this is a very special sailing because one of the godparents of this sailing is Adam Savage, very famous for his work on the show Mythbusters. Ew!
That's up, that's up, that's up, that's up. You know what I'm doing right now? Drop the line. Everybody stop time. Discovery Princess singers and dancers. Folks, you have picked the best ship with the best crew, with the best itinerary to give you the best cruise vacation. But this cruise in particular, we are on a special themed cruise, an Adam Savage at Sea themed cruise. He's the co-host of Discovery Channel's Mythbusters. He was the host of Tested on YouTube. Ladies and gentlemen, he is the godfather of Discovery Princess. Please welcome Adam Savage. Good evening, Discovery Princess. So many of you know me from the show Mythbusters, and I want to apologize to you if your kids set the garage on fire because of me. We're going to take you guys on an adventure. I will not be busting myths per se on the ship, but we're going to have so many fun activities. I'm giving a keynote twice in a row on our sea days. We're going to have nightly trivia every single night. Sci-fi movies, Mythbusters, science in general. There's the egg drop challenge and then a couple of exclusive events. Every single night, he'll be hosting a trivia, so make sure you warm up those brain holes. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure once again to present to you the amazing Adam Savage. I'll see you guys on the ship. Love you. Ah.
We're moving just very slowly.
Hold breath in your lungs. You're going that way. You gotta go that way. All right, go. Go now. Go now. Arm down. So we just enjoyed Sail Away. We caught a little bit of the Sail Away show, got to see Adam Savage on this cruise. Of course, he is the godfather of this ship. We left a little bit early just because we wanted to see the wake pool and see the Sail Away from this wake view, because you actually had to back out aft first, but back that aft up out of the channel here in the Los Angeles harbor. So we're gonna head back to our room, get all warmed up, dressed up for dinner, and go try the main dining room, Skagway dining room here on the Discovery Princess.
Do you see where it says draw your family?
I see. I'm scared.
Oh, before you see that, it says do not show your dad.
Okay, my eyes are closed.
Now, first I'm going to show you me.
Okay, beautiful. I'm assuming my eyes are closed.
No, look up. You can look.
Okay,
And now, you.
that definitely doesn't look like me.
Yes, you have the little hairs on this side.
Oh.
I mean, the big hairs on.
I think it looks more like you than me as far as hair. So for our first night here aboard the Discovery Princess, we ate at the Skagway main dining room. Now we booked just universal reservations every night. We'll probably only go tonight and then on the Elegant night, which is in 2 nights out of our 4 nights here. But for the first night's menu, I was probably a little underwhelmed. For my appetizer, I had the garlic prawns. They weren't overcooked. They tasted great with that garlic flavoring. I just wish there was more. There was just only 3. But I also got a Caesar salad, so that was a perfect compliment. It was light, it was refreshing. The croutons were nice and airy and crispy for my entree. I had the mahi-mahi. It was warm and fresh tasting. However, it was really dry. The slaw that it came with was fine. It just didn't do enough to salvage the fact that the piece of fish was just a little too dry. So I wasn't very impressed with the mahi-mahi.
I had the chicken noodle soup from the kids menu. And it was good, but I don't think it tasted like chicken noodle soup. I didn't taste chicken noodle soup in here. I did not taste it. So if you really like the taste of chicken noodle soup, don't get the chicken noodle soup. It doesn't taste like chicken noodle soup. I would probably actually want to get this again if I wasn't hungry for chicken noodle soup. I had the fettuccine and it was good, but it was very soft. I liked it, but too big for me. Very big portion.
We skipped out on dessert at the main dining room because it was getting a little busy and a little slow, which is fine. So we said, let's just come downstairs, get some gelato. Charlie got Nutella flavor with chocolate chips and chocolate sauce. I got just amaretto, nothing to kill the flavor. It's going to be about 7 o'clock here on the ship. So that's when Camp Discovery opens. We'll take Charlie up to check out that youth program for the first time. And honestly, this ship is still very confusing for me, even after studying the deck plan beforehand. So I'm just going to walk around and explore, maybe see a comedian show that starts here tonight, see what we can find out about this ship.
Comedian Carlos Oscar. The girl hyped.
We dropped Charlie off at Camp Discovery. Checked out a comedy show. The comedian was not funny at all. So we're going to try the Adam Savage trivia here on the Adam Savage at Sea Sailing here on the Discovery Princess.
Good evening. Welcome to the Vista Lounge. Hello. Show of hands and woo-hoos. How many of you have seen the television show Mythbusters before? That's good. That's a good thing. Because the answer was, you may not do that good with this trip. It is my pleasure to introduce to you the amazing Adam Savage. So yeah, 15 questions. We'll give you about 30 seconds for each question. At this point, you should be in teams of less than 7 people and more than 0 people.
So question 6, if you're trying to get past a male guard dog, what's your best chance of success? Stand tall and bark loudly, avoid eye contact and walk slowly, throw a tennis ball, toss a rag, soak in a female dog urine. Question 7, we're now almost halfway through. Which of the following items has the most dangerous germs? Adam, I will give you $5,000 to lick the snout of that dead pig. Which was only a pig in shape. It was really more like a pile of hairy, bony pudding. And he was like, I don't want you like, touch your tongue to it. He's like, I mean like, And I was like, no, that's not worth $5,000.
Yeah, so that was number 15 out of 15. Go ahead and tally up the points correct. Put that number on top, circle it, send it back to where you got it from. We're going to find our winners for this Adam Savage at Sea Trivia. All right, who got 12 or more points correct? There's a couple people. Is it just you all down here? Yeah. You're 2 different teams, and there's a team over here. All right, so you have 2. Excellent. So we have 1, 2, 3 teams. 3 teams? Okay. You know what that means? Tiebreaker.
In this tiebreaker, we will be looking for a very specific number. The team that comes closest to this number, it's fine to go over. The team that is closest to the number wins the prize tonight.
One team that said 70, one team that said 80. We have one team that said 99 miles an hour.
99 miles per hour.
99.
That sounds like someone who just likes the number 99.
99.
Which is fine. It's an excellent number.
Let's see the correct answer.
Actual answer may surprise all of you. 39 miles per hour.
That means I went down here with 70 miles per hour. You all are the closest. Congratulations! But folks, thanks so much for coming to trivia.
Thank you guys so much.
We'll be having trivia again tomorrow night, same time, same place. We want to see y'all here at 4 and at 2 o'clock tomorrow in the Princess Theater. One more huge round of applause. That's Adam Savage! Thank you so much, guys.
So the powers are going to increase this kind of feeling when you drink something sparkling and nice. When you shake, try to make all your hands roll. Okay? So go up and down. So when you shake, try to do this in this way.
Like riding a horse.
Well,
what?
yes. Shake the cocktail. You are
I'm too old for this.
Ingredients are in there. And now, the final ingredient here is
Everybody was
nice
swimming in the water
sparkling
except
wine.
you.
Okay, what was that? The Prosecco, right? And then this is the big for us. This cocktail goes for you. Enjoy it. Alright, beautiful. And remember, it's inspiring Montevideo, Uruguay.
Thank you.
Yes. Amazing. There you go.
Thank you.
And now, one more time for everybody. This is the recipe.
10 p.m. has come. Youth camp is closed. We've picked up the daughter from the daddy-daughter cruise. But the night is not over. We have one last stop to go. We're going to enjoy the 24-hour International Cafe. Let's show them what we're going to have. We got a caramel tart. We got a chocolate sponge cake and chocolate mousse. That wasn't even on display, but because Charlie said she liked chocolate so much, the guy grabbed it for us out of the back. Because we need sugar energy to be able to have our beauty sleep. At least me. You don't need beauty sleep. You don't need beauty sleep.